A wise father once said, "The choices you make today shape the life you live tomorrow." This is the story of two brothers, both eager to succeed, but with very different paths. One followed his father's lessons about money, discipline, and ambition, while the other chased quick wins and ignored hard-earned wisdom. What happened to them shows the true power of building a mindset for wealth and financial freedom. Once upon a time, a father sat his two sons down and told them, "I'll teach you what it takes to build wealth, but it's up to you to listen and act." The elder son, James, paid close attention, while the younger Nick brushed it off, thinking he already knew everything. The father taught James about saving and investing. "Son, don't just save for the sake of saving. Invest your money so it works for you. Buy assets, not liabilities. The sooner you start, the bigger your rewards will be." James followed this advice and put small amounts into stocks, real estate, and even a side business. Nick, however, laughed at the idea of patience. He spent his money on flashy cars, parties, and trendy gadgets. "Why wait for the future? Life is short," he said. His bank account never grew because every dollar he earned was spent as fast as it came in. The father also taught James the importance of delayed gratification. "When you control your impulses, you gain control over your destiny," he said. James resisted the urge to splurge, opting instead to reinvest his profits and grow his portfolio. Nick, on the other hand, couldn't resist the thrill of instant pleasure, constantly borrowing money and sinking deeper into debt. Years passed, and the two brothers' lives looked very different. James had built a strong foundation of wealth. His investments generated enough passive income to free him from working long hours. He traveled, spent quality time with his family, and pursued his passions. He achieved financial freedom, living a life where money was no longer a worry. Nick, however, struggled. He had to work overtime to pay off debts, and his impulsive habits left him with nothing to show for years of effort. One day he turned to his brother and asked, "How did you do it?" James replied, "I followed the lessons Dad gave us. It wasn't always easy, but the results speak for themselves." It's never too late to start, Nick, but you need to change your mindset first. This story isn't just about James and Nick. It's about the choices we all face. The path to financial freedom is clear, but only for those who are willing to listen, learn, and take action. So, which brother will you be? Will you follow the path to lasting wealth, or will you chase short-lived pleasures? Watch the video above to learn how you can start building your financial freedom today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more life-changing money lessons.